Hello, my dear kids. Myself, Krutika Patel from Samarpan Gyan School, Rata. As you all know, in the previous two video lectures, we have completed the explanatory part and summarization of the part of class 6th English chapter number 3 Taro's Reward from the book Honeysuckle. So today we are here to discuss the NCERT question answers part of the same chapter, Taro's Reward. So let's begin. So here we begin with our answer the following questions. So here is our first question. Why did Taro ran in the direction of the stream? We all know why did he ran towards the stream. The first reason was that he was very thirsty, and the other reason he never heard of any sound of a flowing water in that area. He knew there was no water, so he wanted to know where the water is coming from. So he went towards the direction of the stream. So next is, how did Taro's father saw his happiness after drinking the sek? As after having the sek, the sek gave warmth and energy to that old man, and when the old man was shivering after having the sek, he stopped shivering and he started dancing, and this shows that he was very happy after having the sek. The next one, why did the waterfall give Taro sek and others water? Do you remember why? It is because he was very thoughtful son. The Taro was very thoughtful son. He always want to take care of the parents very sincerely, and this sek was a reward for the goodness of Taro, and it was not for any other greedy people. The next one, why did villagers went to drown Taro? Here we all know, when the news of the sek fell to all the villagers went towards the waterfall to collect the sek. But what happened? It did not give sek to them, it just gave them plain water, and they were becoming very angry, and they wanted to punish Taro as they thought that the Taro was playing trick with them. I hope the answers which I am discussing are getting clear to you. Next is, why did Taro's empire reward Taro? Why did the king of the Japan reward Taro? He rewarded Taro because of his good and kindness towards the parents. He wanted to encourage all the other children to respect, obey and serve their own parents. So these were all the question answers part. So till here the question answers are discussed. Now we move on to the next topic. Next question, mark the right item. There are options given, so we need to mark which is the correct one. So here, first one, Taro earned very little money. Because what is the reason? First one, he did not work enough hard. No, he used to work hard. The villagers didn't need wood. Is it so? No. The price of the wood was very low. The chopping work what he was doing gave very little money, as the price of the wood was very low. The second one, Taro decided to earn extra money. Why he decided to earn extra money? To live more comfortable life, to buy his old father some sek, to repair the cracks in the wood hut. So the answer is to buy his old father some sek. The third one, the last one, the neighbors left Taro's hut in hurry because, first one, she was delighted with the drink. She was astonished to hear Taro's story, and she wanted to tell the whole villagers about the waterfall. The answer is because she wanted to tell the whole villagers about the waterfall. So here we have ended with our second question. Now the third one, strike off the words in the bracket below that are not suitable. We need to strike out. We are going to remove those words which are not suitable. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was very what will come? He was very thoughtful. It will come. He was very hardworking. It will come. He was very loving. It will come. He was very honest. Honest won't come. So we will strike out. We will cancel honest. Then comes thoughtful. He was very thoughtful. Yes, it will come. Hardworking. Next is considerate. He was very considerate about. He was trustworthy. So we will remove trustworthy. He was not trustworthy. Then comes efficient. Efficient was also not there in the option. Continue the passage. This made Taro sadder ever. So this refers to. We have to mark from this 3. What will be the right answer? A strong wind that began to blow. Taro's father's old age. Taro's inability to buy expensive sack for his father. So what made him sadder than ever? So the answer is Taro's inability to buy expensive sack for his father. Because of that he became more sadder. Then next. This said the emperor was to encourage all the children to honor and obey their parents. This refers to the most beautiful fountain in the city, rewarding Taro with gold and giving fountain his name, sending for Taro to hear his story. So children think what would be the answer? Why he honored Taro? Because rewarding Taro with gold and giving fountain his name, so that the other children also obey their parents. So here we come to the another set of questions. Next is arrange the words below in the pair that rhymes. So here young, sad, money, chop, lungs, last. So we need to match them and we need to write down the answer. Young, lung, money, sunny, sad, bad, chop, stop, last, fast, wax, axe, wood, could, sound, round, way, day. Children, here you need to do it yourself. Do not copy the answers. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. So here these options are given and here the passage is given. This teacher is not going to discuss with you. You yourself is going to complete this. Here again fill in the blanks are given. You need to fill the blanks with your own. So here till here we are. So we are going to meet with the next in the next lecture with the other extra questions and other exercise part. So till then you complete this, try to solve it by your own. If any doubt, you can always watch the video. Till then, bye.